In 7 days, we will know if a Tulsa County judge will decide to dismiss a lawsuit seeking reparations for the 1921 Tulsa race massacre, or if the case will go to trial.
The city of Tulsa and attorneys with Justice for Greenwood were back in court this morning. Fox 23's Tanya Motorzycki has been following this case for 2 years. She joins us live downtown with the latest. Tanya.
Shay and Sarah, today at court were the last 3 living survivors of the massacre. Families tell media that they hope to have their day in court sooner rather than later because all 3 survivors are over 100 years old, so time is ticking. The last known 3 living 1921 Tulsa race massacre survivors, Leslie, Randall, Viola Fletcher, and Hughes Van Ellis, as well as their family in the North Tulsa community, continue to wait for answers on the public nuisance lawsuit. LaDonna Penny, Randall's granddaughter, says time is running out.
It's long overdue. We need to see justice. We don't need them to die before it happens. These are the last 3. Time is now.
In 2020, Justice for Greenwood attorney Damario Solomon Simmons filed a lawsuit against the city of Tulsa for an abatement of the public nuisance as a result of the massacre. In 2021, the historic lawsuit was seen in court, but last May, the city tried to get the case thrown out.
Nobody in the country has ever gotten this far.
Judge Carolyn Wall ruled this case will go to trial. A year later, the city is back in court trying to get the case thrown out again after Solomon Simmons was ordered to rewrite his petition, arguing Justice for Greenwood did not specifically lay out how the judge will legally repair damages caused to the survivors and the community.
We think we put on a compelling case. The facts are in our favor. The law is in our favor.
Solomon Simmons told the judge she already granted this case to go to trial and was under the impression there should not have been another motion to dismiss.
She stated that we could move forward. In her order, she said we can move forward. They filed new motions to dismiss. It was our understanding that that would not happen. It did. We still feel like the law and the facts on our side.
Judge Carolyn Wall says the city filed a motion to dismiss in time. Solomon Simmons says his team presented enough facts and evidence previously and did not present anything new, and he is not required to specify remedies.
It's up to her to decide what is the equitable relief. But for instance, we asking for zoning could be one. Again, we talked about zoning. That's something that public nuisance cases do all the time. Land trust, assortment of things.
Survivor Hugh Van Ellis says he's going to keep fighting the fight.
I dropped my ankle. My ship will not float away.
I chatted with the city's lawyers after the hearing for a bit. They said they cannot comment on pending litigation, and next week we'll give you an update when Judge Wall gives her ruling. Live downtown covering news that matters, I'm Tanya Motorzycki, Fox 23 News.